First, ensure that he's a NADCA certified vendor or contractor. That will only give you an assurance that he has studied, he has people on his payroll who have got themselves certified as an air system cleaning specialist, and they are following the standards. Beyond that, check out what jobs he has done, where he has done. That will give you another. Also check out, are the people and teams he's using his own or contractual teams? Because a lot of these vendors, they are hiring people on daily labor basis, and they don't have the experience and knowledge on how to do it properly. They only come on the job when a certain contract is given to them. So you need to assure yourselves that the people they hire are their own team, not rented out team. You need to look at three things. One, is he NADCA certified? Does he have an air system cleaning certified technician on his team? Two, the teams he's using are on his roll. They have been trained. They are not part-time workers who have never worked on a HVAC system before or a duct cleaning project before. And finally, referral. Please go out and check where he has worked and what was his record in the places where he has worked. A lot of these guys are overnight players who are there today and not there tomorrow. For example, we as a company have been around for more than 20 years in India alone and abroad for longer. We know every aspect, every kind of system and every risk. We've been through it, fixed it, and over the years, our systems and way of working are more advanced because of the experience we've had. And the teams we have people working for us for the last 10 to 15 years. And they are very skilled. And this is the things which you need while ascertaining. And another point finally is, how much time do they take and do they actually do it properly? That is at your end, which you need to check while the job is on. The first three, before selecting. The last two, while the job is on, then you can ascertain yourself what mistakes you have made.